Solomon seal is a perennial flowering plant, hardy in zones 3 to 9, native to woodland areas of the northern hemisphere. They have arching stems and lance-shaped leaves and small bell-shaped flowers. Solomon seal is an easy plant to care for. Just give it shade and moist, well-drained soil with lots of organic material. Plant Solomon seal in a location that receives shade or partial shade. Amend the soil with compost or other organic material to improve drainage, and water Solomon seal regularly, especially during dry periods, and fertilize the soil in the spring with a balanced fertilizer, and divide it every 3 to 5 years to prevent overcrowding. The Solomon seal is a low maintenance plant that is perfect for shade gardens. These are some starts that were given to me last July, and I put them here because it's in the shade so they would survive until a good time to transplant, which is now early in the spring. Spring is always the best time for me to transplant, and so you just dig them up carefully to get as much dirt as you can around them and pick them up, holding on to as much dirt as you can, just like right here. And here I'm putting them into a wheelbarrow to carry them around to where I want to plant them at. And just get the shovel out far enough away from the plant so you can not tear up the roots any more than necessary. And here I've prepared a nice hole to plant them in. You notice how much organic material here there is. That's with this plant and lots of plants. Most plants love lots of organic material in the soil. It makes it very fertile and it holds moisture. And a layer of organic material on top keeps the soil cool and moist. So just dig a hole big enough for the clump that you're going to put in there. Just a little bit bigger even, maybe, and set it in there, keeping it at ground level. At the same level that it grew before, and then push the dirt back in around it, and if there's any big clumps, just break them up with your hands. Then just cover the top with some organic material, and that's all there is. I did go back and water these with a watering can. I just don't think I filmed that.